Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you a peculiar problem in brother DCP-T300. Brother DCP-T300. What is the problem? How to solve the problem? Right? The problem is when you switch on the printer, after a little bit time, which is displaying a message called unable to print 50 error, unable to print 50 error. How to solve this problem? Here I am going to explain to you the simplest and easiest way to solve the problem. Please follow the video. I am going to give you a simplest and easiest way to solve and rectify the problem. To the same problem, if you see in YouTube, they have given not a correct solution, but here I am going to give a correct solution. That solution is apt and very simple. Apt and very simple. So how to solve in this video, I am going to give. So please, before this, subscribe my channel, then you can get updates every day and intimation every day, because every day I am releasing new videos regarding printer service, laptop service and desktop service. Also, I have released more videos for cartridges refilling, laser and ink cartridges. So subscribe my channel so you can get immediate updates every day. I have given more videos regarding cartridges refilling, like laser cartridges and ink cartridges. In ink cartridges, black and color I have given. So please subscribe my channel, then proceed. Right? Okay. In this video, I am going to give you a simplest way to solve the problem. The problem is unable to print 50 error. Unable to print 50 error. This is very simplest way to solve the problem. But if you see in YouTube channel, most of the engineers, they have given in not a correct solution. They have given a confusing method. They have given in a confusing method. So that I have planned to give all my viewers the correct solution. Very simple. Okay. First, switch off the printer. Then you have to open the scanner unit. See this problem already I have sorted out, solved. Then I am going to explain how to do this. Right. First, remove the scanner. Right. Okay. After that, here one screw. After that, I will show. After that, you have to here one screw, here one screw and here one screw. So you have to remove the screw. First you have to remove this front panel. You have to remove this front panel which is connected with a cable. So how you have to remove the cable. You have to remove the cable. Then this front panel come out. This front panel come out. So keep the front panel carefully. Then you have to open one screw and here one screw. Here one screw and here one screw. And this is the scanner closure sensor. This is the scanner closure sensor. So for this, there is a cable. You have to disconnect the cable. After that, this is the cover. See, this is the cover which is close to this printer. So what you have to do, just if you lift up, and simply you have to do roughly. then it will come out. Then it will come out. This is the top cover. This is the top cover, which is covering the head unit, which is covering the head unit. If you remove this, you can see the head unit. You can see the head unit. So this is the head unit, right? After that, if you see here, this is the scanner power cable. This is the scanner lamp cable. This is the scanner lamp cable. This is the scanner power cable. I am going to take out this scanner lamp cable. This is the scanner lamp cable. Just right. So this notch is tightly fixed here. Simply remove this knob. Simply like lever type. If you press this, it will come out. So take this. Then this is the lock. Then this, if you release this lock, it will come out. Then you can take this. Then you can take this scanner unit. This is the scanner unit. I have taken out. Then I am going to keep carefully here. Right? Okay. After that, after removing this screw and this screw. See, this is the printer. Here one screw. What is? Yeah, here one screw and here one screw. If you remove this screw, then you can lift this top cover. And in back side, this is the, if you have to remove this also. This is what, if paper got stuck inside, you have to open and remove the paper. To open this, simply use the minus screwdriver. Just lift this and take out. Right? Then remove the top cover. This is very easiest way to remove the top cover. See, if it not comes, give little bit pressure. Yeah, I have opened this top cover. Along with the sensor. This is the sensor. See here, I will show this. See, this is the sensor. This is the sensor. This sensor only indicating whether the scanner cover top is opened or not. If it is pressed, which is closed. If it is up, which is open. Right? So opened this. See. So now what are all the things we did open? We have opened front panel. We have opened this front panel. Then we opened the top cover. Then we opened the paper stacking unit. See, if this open, then only you can remove the paper stucked paper. You can remove the stucked paper. After that, you have to remove the scanner unit. Scanner unit is having two cables. One is scanner cable. Another one is this. Yeah, this cable is power cable. This is scanner cable. Right? After that, you have to open this. Top cover. Then this is the main issue. Here only we are going to solve the issue. Just turn this printer like this. See here, this is the disk encoder. There are two encoders. This is the encoders. This is disk encoder. This is ribbon encoder. But here the ribbon encoder is perfect. But the problem, this unable to print 50 error because of this disk encoder. Disk encoder. This disk encoder is having problem. What type of problem which is having? The disk encoder is covered by dust and used ink. Used ink spread around the encoder, disk encoder. So what you have to do? Take one wet cloth, simply rotate the disk encoder, clean the disk encoder. If you clean the disk encoder, see the cloth is having dust and ink. After cleaning that, make the disk encoder get dry 5 to 10 minutes. After that, cover the printer properly, one by one. First, you have to cover the top cover, then you have to cover the backside paper stacking unit, then you have to cover the top cover, then you have to cover the scanner unit, finally you have to cover the front unit. Front unit is what is called a menu unit or on-off switch unit or Xerox taking unit, right? This is the unit you have to finally fix it. After that you have to fix the screw, right? After that you have to fix the screw, keep the screw carefully, then you have to fix it. So in this, unable to print 50 error only because of this disk encoder issue. But even after cleaning disk encoder, if you are getting the same problem, means what you have to do? You have to take out the disk encoder, you have to buy a disk encoder, you have to fix into this. That's all. This is the way to solve the problem, what is called unable to print 50 error in brother TCP-T300. Unable to print 50 error. In this video, I have given very simplest way. Okay, not like other YouTube videos. After watching my videos, apply my steps and get success. After completing the success, go and watch some other YouTube channel, see the difference, which is the best method to solve this problem. You see that. This is the simplest way to solve the problem. This is the same way if this ribbon decoder or encoder is having problem, simply change the encoder or decoder. Surely you can succeed the problem in brother printer, which is very simplest way, easily solve the problem. Unable to print 50 error. So please follow the instruction properly, unscrew the screws properly and keep the screws properly. When you are going to close, you have to place the screw properly, then finally succeed. Okay, so if you satisfy my videos, please like my videos, share my videos and subscribe my videos. If you have any new problem in anything like printer, desktop and laptop, also any refilling methods if you want, please specify in comment. Seeing that comment, I can release new video that may be helpful to you to solve your requirements. Thanking you. I will see you in the next video with some other challenging problem and easiest solution. Have a nice day. We will see in the some other problem and some other solution. Have a nice day. Welcome.